In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs error starting a player issue step by step so you can get back to using the platform without the frustration. This is a common problem, and in many cases, it's not your account or your audio file at all. It can be caused by a temporary browser glitch, a VPN triggering security checks, or even a server-side issue on ElevenLabs itself. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest fix is to hard refresh the page and clear your browser cache. Sometimes, the player fails to initialize because your browser has stored old cookies, old session data, or a broken temporary file. To start, go to the ElevenLabs page where you're seeing the error and try a hard refresh. On Windows, you can usually do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and R. On Mac, try Command, Shift, and R. That forces the page to reload without relying on the saved version in your browser. If that does not work, clear your cookies and cache completely. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and remove cached images, files, and cookies for ElevenLabs. Once that is done, close the browser tab, reopen ElevenLabs, and sign in again if needed. This simple step often fixes player loading problems because it removes corrupted session data that may be blocking the audio player from starting. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your VPN. ElevenLabs can sometimes flag unusual locations or suspicious connection patterns, and a VPN may make your login look like it is coming from a different country or device. That can lead to playback restrictions or an unusual activity warning. So if you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and refresh the page again. If you're using a browser extension VPN, turn that off too. Then try starting the player once more and see if it loads normally. If the player still won't start after disabling the VPN and clearing the cache, the last thing to do is verify whether ElevenLabs is having a server issue. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. Go to the ElevenLabs status page and check the server history at status.elevenlabs.io/history. Look for any outages, degraded performance, or ongoing incidents that may affect playback or audio generation. If there is a current issue, the best option is usually to wait until the service is restored. If you are checking the status page and everything looks normal but the error continues, try signing out and back in once more after clearing your cache and with your VPN disabled. In some cases, a fresh login session is enough to reinitialize the player correctly. You can also try a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to rule out a browser-specific issue. That can help you confirm whether the problem is isolated to one browser or affecting your account more broadly. So to quickly recap, the fastest fixes for the ElevenLabs error starting a player are hard refresh the page, clear cookies and cache, disable your VPN, and check the ElevenLabs server status. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the issue and get the player running again. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.